Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can change privacy or how we can make your post private in Mewe. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you are in Mewe, just click on three dots right here on your post and click privacy. Right here you're gonna see my contacts, close friends or public. What you want to do is you simply click close friends and have some like friend here and just choose him and no one else. And this is how you do it. So you're in Mewe, you just click here on the three dots, change privacy, and change the close friends to someone else. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, see ya guys, see ya.